how to earn your first million peso even if you're earning minimum wage. So yeah, let's go. Hi guys, Yuplo here, and I got this comment kasi na, hey Tio, like ang lalaki naman ng mga computation mo. Meron ka bang investment tips or strategy for those earning minimum wage or at least yung low income or more or less nasa minimum wage talaga. And yeah, yan yung gagawin natin ngayon. Let's compute. And basically, I could also relate dito kasi when I also got started, I was actually earning a little above minimum. So, I believe dati yung minimum wage is around 10,000. So, I was earning a little bit more than that. I believe mga 12K ata yung first sahod ko doon. So, yeah, compute natin. How can we achieve yung first million mo even if you're earning minimum wage? Now, for us to compute that, first thing you need to do is you can download yung Lodi app. So, dito kasi sa Lodi app, meron tayong mga calculators dito to help us compute ano ba yung mga target goals mo in terms of dividends, in terms of target capital. So, you can download. I'll put a link down in the description. So, you can download the Lodi app. Tapos, once you're inside the Lodi app, so, basically, ito yung here's how it's gonna look like. So, ito yung dashboard. So, makikita mo may trainings dyan, may tools, and coming soon na mga features, and may donate button din dyan. So, if you wanna support us, again, this is a passion project with me and my brother. So, you can also help us by donating. And maybe sooner or later, makapag-hire tayo ng full-time na software developer talaga nito. But anyway, just go to tools. So, punta ka lang sa tools. And dito, makikita mo may mga different calculators tayo. So, you can choose the monthly investment number. So, yung goal natin is 1 million peso, di ba? So, add lang natin dyan, 1 million peso. Tapos, how many years to grow na realistic naman. So, if you're earning minimum wage or low income, then probably 10 years wouldn't be too long, di ba? Kasi, what if you're currently 20 years old, 30 years old, at least may 1 million na tayo by the age 30, 40, di ba? So, hindi aabot na retirement. So, lagyan natin 10. Tapos, interest rate. So, currently, digital banks and dividend stocks could give you around 6% on average. So, as of this video, add natin 6%. So, makikita mo na yung kailangan mo save on a monthly basis is just 5,900. So, around 6,000 pesos per month, mahit mo na yung 1 million peso mo, 1 million peso mo na ano tawag nito? Na target income, target goal. So, ano ba yung strategy? Ano yung investment strategy para mahit natin yung first million? So, there are 3 steps. So, first step is dapat you set a percentage dun sa income mo na you set aside for your investment. So, a good example would be 10% or 20% of your income mapupunta dun sa investment mo. So, ako naman, on my case, when I got started, I was able to like save 50% kasi I was still single back then. 50% of my income. Kaya sobrang payat ko talaga noon kasi hindi ako kumakain. Like, 50% of my income na si-save ko. So, even if I was earning a little above minimum, nakapag-invest naman ako ng 6-figure na portfolio. So, in our case, or in your case, ganito. So, quick search natin, minimum wage today. So, minimum wage today, 2024. So, it says here, 610 peso per day. So, compute natin, 610 peso per day. 610 peso per day. 600 times, 26 days, no? 26 days. So, around 15,000 yung minimum wage ngayon. So, 15,000 times, let's say, times 10% of that. So, 1.5. So, sobrang konti, no? Let's stretch a little bit. 20%. So, meron kang 3,000. 3,000 na masiset aside mo on a monthly basis. So, yan yung first step. 3,000. Now, based on sa computation natin kanina, balikan natin. So, investment number. So, 1 million, tapos years to grow is 10 years, tapos interest rate at 6%. So, based sa computation natin, it's 5,900. So, but yung masisave mo lang is like 3,000 per month, di ba? So, 3,000 per month. So, ganito yung gawin natin. So, yung the next strategy would be, again, number 1 is set a percentage na i-invest mo. The second strategy is you increase the time horizon. So, increase the time horizon. So, dito, based sa computation natin kanina, 1 million, 10 years at 6%, 5,900 yung kailangan mo i-invest. But since medyo malaki, for your case, and since bata ka pa, example, nasa 20 years ka pa, so, we can add additional 20 years. So, pwede natin gawin 20 years. So, as you can see, 2,000 na lang yung kailangan mo invest on a monthly basis. So, 2,000 per month in the next 20 years, ma-achieve mo na yung first million pesos mo. So, yes, I know, medyo malayo siya. Kaya, meron tayong third strategy. So, yung third strategy naman natin is, instead of pahabain natin yung time, kasi sobrang layo na yan. So, magkano na lang yung value niyan, like 20 years from now. So, instead of pahabain natin yung time, so again, balik natin, at 15,000, you can save around 3,000, example lang. And then, yung goal mo is to save 6,000 on a monthly basis para ma-hit mo yung first million mo in the next 10 years. So, what you're gonna need to do is, instead of habain yung time, we need to increase yung income mo. So, increase yung income. So, again, if kaya mo naman increase yung percentage, like, instead of 20%, gawin mo siyang 40% yung income. Kung you're still single, then I believe kaya yan. Pero if you're already married, may family ka na, then it might be not doable. But yung third strategy, again, first strategy, set a percentage of your income. Second strategy is time horizon. And third strategy is you increase yung income mo para meron kang ma-set aside. So in my case, yung ginawa ko actually when I was still working, naghanap ako ng extra income. So yung extra income na hinanap ko is, I went to commission-based na sales. So doon ako napunta sa financial industry. So in terms of extra income, I have actually three strategies na ma-recommend. First strategy is go for sales. Go for commission-based. Yung ano tawag nito? Yung the more you sell, the more you earn. So kasi dito, it is results-based eh. Currently, yung job natin is ano tawag nito, like we are paid based on time, but by going to sales, you are actually paid based on result. Like, the more, like, the better you are in terms of selling, the more money you can make. So, ako, I went to financial industry. I was selling mga healthcare, mga insurances, and so on and so forth. So, doon ko actually na, like, yung income ko in my job, I was able to surpass by being a financial advisor. So, doon ko nag-decide na to quit my job and just go full-time as a financial advisor. So, yun yung ginawa ko to increase yung income ko. And, yung mga recommendation ko if you go to sales is, you can go to insurance industry, you can do MLM, mga network marketing if hindi ka naman allergic sa recruit, so you can do that. Kasi sa network marketing kasi, you'll learn about selling and build ng confidence mo. So, very powerful din yun. Or you can sell mga real estate. So, basically, anything that involves selling, highly recommend to increase your income. Second naman is sell your services. So, let's say, for example, meron kang specific skills, like, magaling ka with graphics design, marunong ka mag-edit ng video. In my case, I'm a copywriter, so nagsusulat ako ng mga script and whatnot. So, you can offer these services to mga business owners. So, let's say, for example, I help business owners in terms of writing yung script nila, in terms of selling yung mga products nila, in terms of creating mga advertisements, yun yung ginagawa namin. And in fact, if you're not aware, meron akong separate channel. It's called Aral Business Consultancy and Training. So, this is actually the name of our company. So, you can check out yung other channel ko. And it's not very active right now, but yung goal ko sa channel to is I'm gonna share yung mga share ko on how you can actually make money by offering your services, especially copywriting. So, you can check out this other channel ko. You can also subscribe to that. And, currently, hindi pa siya active, but yung goal ko is mag-add ako ng more videos doon. And last suggestion ko, if you want to increase your income, so third way for you to increase income is, currently right now, malakas yung content creation. So content creation, basically like creating YouTube videos, creating reels. But nakikita kong trend ngayon is TikTok by being a TikTok affiliate. So basically, you create an account in TikTok and then maghanap ka ng mga shops na pwede mong maging affiliate of. So ano ba yung affiliate? Basically is, punta ka sa mga shops, maging affiliate ka doon, and then create ka ng video promoting yung mga products nila. Meaning, wala kang product, wala kang inventory, wala kang capital, you just become an affiliate in etong mga TikTok shops, and you create content. Tapos yung content mo, if people love your content, they click on the yellow basket and bibili sila ng product, because of your content, kikita ka ng commission in return. So, yeah, currently right now, in content creation, maraming ng mga ways eh. Like, pwede ka mag-YouTube, pero medyo mahaba yung learning curve ni YouTube and matagal din yung monetization. Same thing, pwede ka rin mag-Facebook Reels. So, medyo mataas din yung requirements niya para ma-monetize ka in creating Facebook Reels or Facebook content. And however, sa TikTok, nakikita ko na it's an easy way for you to, it's a faster and easier way for you to make money by being an affiliate, create content, and dun kikita ka ng at least extra income. So basically, it all boils down, if you wanna hit your first million, it's really just, yun lang talaga yung strategy. 3 strategies lang. Set a percentage of your income para mapag-save and invest, or you increase the time horizon. So, the longer your time horizon, mas konti lang yung kailangan mo na i-save on a monthly basis. But syempre, who wants to retire long time, di ba? So, we wanna increase yung income. Kasi malay mo, if you increase your income, you'll earn more than your job, you can invest more. Instead na 10 years, we can decrease it to 5 years or even 3 years, you're gonna achieve yung first million mo. So yeah, that is it. I hope you find this video valuable and helpful. And if you did, make sure to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Tapos consider subscribing so we can hit the silver play button and we can reach more Filipinos. And if you want to start your Lodi lifestyle journey with me, visit my website freedomlabph.com. Again, it's freedomlabph.com. I hope to see you inside. Once again, name is Tio Pilo, and yung goal natin sa channel na ito is to live on dividends and interest. Bye-bye!